What makes a great headshot stand out? It's not just the equipment or the setting, it's understanding how to bring everything together. For photographers just starting out, nailing headshots can seem tricky, but with the right approach, you'll be capturing professional quality images in no time. Let's break down some key tips that will make your headshots unforgettable. Every headshot has a job. Is it for acting? A corporate profile? Maybe it's just for personal branding. Knowing what the client needs helps you set the right mood for the shoot. For actors, you'll want a dramatic and expressive vibe, while a professional headshot may require a clean and confident look. Neutral backgrounds are a safe bet, like white, gray, or beige. They make the subject pop. If you want to get creative, urban settings or natural backdrops can work. Just make sure they don't distract from your subject. The key is simplicity and balance. Lighting is everything in headshot photography. Soft, even lighting works best. If you're outside, cloudy days are ideal because they naturally diffuse sunlight. Indoors, try a ring light or a softbox for professional-looking results. Avoid harsh shadows by positioning your light source slightly above and in front of the subject. Invest in the right lens. A good lens can make all the difference. For beginners, a 50mm or 85mm lens is a great choice. These lenses create a flattering look by avoiding distortion and keeping the focus on the subject. They also work beautifully for achieving that dreamy, blurred background. Learn to direct comfortably. Your subject is relying on you to guide them. Simple directions like tilt your chin slightly down or turn a little to the left can make a huge difference. Keep your instructions clear and kind to build trust and help your client feel at ease. Focus on the eyes. The eyes are the first thing people notice. Make sure they're sharp and well lit. You can even use a reflector to add a subtle sparkle to the eyes, giving them a vibrant and alive quality. Use reflectors. Reflectors are a beginner's secret weapon. A silver reflector bounces light beautifully and adds depth to your subject's face. White reflectors work well for softer, more natural lighting. Position it just out of frame for the best effect. Control depth of field. Use a wide aperture, like f2.8 or lower, to blur the background and make your subject stand out. This technique draws attention straight to the face while keeping distractions in the background soft and out of focus. Frame with care. Position your subject slightly off-center for a more dynamic look. Avoid cutting off the top of their head unless it's intentional. A great headshot keeps the subject's face centered while leaving just enough space around them. Communicate clearly. The best photos happen when your subject is relaxed. Talk to them throughout the shoot. Ask questions, share encouragement, and let them know how great they look. A comfortable subject gives you natural, confident expressions. Experiment with angles. Not everyone looks their best straight on. Try slight side angles or tilting the face to find the subject's most flattering look. Take a variety of shots. You'll find the golden one when reviewing later. Advise on wardrobe. Clothing makes a difference. Solid colors like blue, gray, or black work well. Avoid patterns or logos, which can be distracting. For actors, suggest clothing that fits the type of roles they want to pursue. Keep hair and makeup simple. Encourage your clients to keep it natural. Hair should be neat, but not overly styled. Light makeup helps smooth skin tones and reduces shine, saving you time in editing later. Take plenty of shots. Don't be shy about snapping lots of photos. Shoot from different distances and angles. Sometimes the best shot is the one you didn't plan for. Prep your gear. Always double-check your equipment before the shoot. Charge your batteries, bring extra memory cards, and make sure your lens is clean. A smooth session starts with being prepared. Capture natural expressions. Some of the best headshots come from candid moments. Encourage your subject to laugh, smile, or even have a thoughtful expression. Real emotion connects with viewers. Shoot in RAW. RAW files capture more detail than JPEGs, giving you more control in post-processing. It's like having an insurance policy for your photos. Use a tripod. A tripod ensures sharp, steady images. It's especially useful in studio settings or when working with longer shutter speeds. Experiment with lighting ratios. Lighting ratios can add drama or balance to your shot. For example, a 1-to-1 ratio creates even lighting, while a 3-to-1 ratio adds contrast for a more dramatic effect. Avoid wide-angle lenses. Wide-angle lenses can distort facial features, especially up close. Stick to lenses with a focal length of 50 millimeters or more to maintain natural proportions. Practice posing. Good posture and slight adjustments make a big difference. A long neck and relaxed shoulders look professional and confident. Guide your client into these poses gently. Add props sparingly. Props can enhance a headshot when used sparingly. A well-placed chair or a simple desk can add context, but don't let them overshadow your subject. Scout locations. Always check out your shooting location ahead of time. Look for good lighting, minimal distractions, and enough room to move around. This saves you time during the session. Learn basic editing. Editing is where the magic happens. Adjust skin tones, remove blemishes, and enhance lighting in programs like Lightroom or Photoshop. But keep it natural. Less is often more. Build a portfolio. Offer free or discounted sessions to start. This helps you build a portfolio and gain experience. Share your work on social media to attract more clients. Headshot photography isn't just about technical skills. It's about capturing personality and making your subject shine. By following these tips, you'll create headshots that stand out and leave your clients thrilled with the results. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more photography tips. Share your favorite headshot tricks in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.